I know ukuthi esikhathini esiningi sinokuthemba or sikholelwa ukuthi umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi asisize entweni, and we keep on sharing nalowo muntu loyo continuously. Kanti the very same person that you open up to is the same person oyenza izinto zakho ukuthi zingahlangani, not because they are doing something to you, but because of they are the wrong ear to be giving whatever it is that you're sharing to. Learn to know the difference between a person okufisela okuhle and a person okwenza kabi or okufisela kabi. May we learn to actually approach izinto in a manner that will set us towards something. Kukhona ezinye izinto esithi masizenze empilweni ubone ukuthi lokhu akungisi ndawo. Trying a different approach to the things osuke uzenza, it can make a huge difference empilweni yakho. Speaking to somebody who you would never actually even think ukuthi angakusiza ngokuthize, but by giving it a try, you'd never know. You know, we go through so much empilweni that we actually end up giving in because yonke into sifila ngazathi semahlombe wethu. You who are going through that difficult time of saying kukhona ubunzima engibhekene nabo, kukhona usizi engiphezu kwalo at this moment, and how do I get out of this? Pray and pray until something happens.